Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to change the language in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on Steam and Xbox, and let's get straight into it. So all you have to do is go over to the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 main menu. Once you are here, you can go over to settings, and then from settings go over to interface. Now once you go over to interface, you will see that readability and then preferred language is set to English automatically, and then you can go ahead and change it from here. If it is locked for some reason, you can go ahead and just set your, if you're on Windows like I am, you can go ahead and just set it to full screen, and then that should fix the issue. And then once you do that, you should be good to go. I recommend restarting your PC as well, because that is when it will actually change. So when you change it to whatever other language, like Spanish for example, go ahead and just close the game and then restart your PC and Xbox. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to change language on PC and Xbox for Black Ops 6, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.